As temperatures rise, we're all looking for ways to beat the heat. And today, I've got some super cool hacks just for you. Cross-breeze ventilation. Want to keep your home naturally cool without cranking up the AC? Let's talk about harnessing the power of a cross-breeze. It's all about smart ventilation, and you can do it with just a few simple steps. First, identify the direction of the prevailing wind around your home. You can usually check this online or simply notice which way the breeze tends to blow during the cooler parts of the day. Once you know this, open windows on both the windward and leeward sides of your home. That's where the wind comes in and where it goes out. If the natural breeze isn't strong enough, you can enhance it by strategically placing fans in your windows. Place a fan facing inward on a window on the cooler, shaded side of your home, and another fan facing outward on the opposite side. This setup pulls cool air in and pushes warm air out, creating a steady airflow that can significantly lower indoor temperatures. You could even enhance this with a bowl of ice in front of the cooler side window. Another tip is to adjust the size of the openings based on the sun's position. In the morning and evening, when the sun is lower, open windows wider on the shaded side of your house. During the hottest midday hours, minimize window openings on the sun-exposed sides to avoid letting in hot air. By managing how and when you open your windows and using fans to assist the natural airflow, you can create a refreshing indoor breeze. This not only cools your home naturally, but also improves air quality, keeping your living space fresh and comfortable without relying heavily on air conditioning. Next, let's look at the power of ice. Number 1. Cool your bed with ice packs. First up, quick cooling for your bed. Place a few ice packs under your sheets a few minutes before you go to sleep. It'll chill your bed nicely, making it super comfortable to fall asleep despite the heat. 2. Cool your rooms with ice cubes. Next, enhance your fan's power. Put a large bowl of ice in front of your oscillating fan. As the ice melts, the fan blows the cooled air around the ice like a mist, reducing the room's temperature. It's like a DIY air conditioner. 3. Cool your rooms with evaporative portable fans. Now that we've mastered the art of keeping cool with ice cubes, let's take a look at some gadgets designed to enhance your cooling experience even further. I'm talking about portable, evaporative fans. These fans use the natural cooling properties of water, combined with the convenience of portability, making them perfect for any summer adventure. These fans have a built-in reservoir where you can add water. As the fan operates, it pulls air through a moistened pad, and as the water evaporates, it helps lower the air temperature around you, giving you a refreshing breeze. I've picked out a few top-rated models that you can find on Amazon. Whether you're camping, spending a day at the beach, or just hanging out on your patio, these fans are a game changer. And the best part? They're all just a click away. You'll find links to each of these products in the video description below, so be sure to check them out and pick the one that best fits your summer cooling needs. 4. Ice cubes can also be your skin's best friend. Wrap an ice cube in a soft cloth and dab it onto your face. It reduces puffiness, closes pores, and refreshes your skin after a day in the sun. And last but not least, beverages. Let's upgrade your drinks. Freeze lemon slices, mint or berries, and your ice cubes for a refreshing twist to your water, lemonade, or cocktails. Simply add these flavorful ice cubes and watch your regular drinks transform into something extraordinary. Coffee lover? Freeze coffee into ice cubes. No more watered-down iced coffee, just full-flavored chilliness in every sip. There you have it. Awesome and inventive ways to use ice cubes and water to stay cool and make your summer a blast. Try these hacks out and let us know which ones were your favorites in the comments below. If you found these insights helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and spread the word. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.